Welcome to Commerce class. Now we are going to see factors affecting price of a product or service. What are the various factors? There are many factors before they could decide upon the price for a product. Okay, so there are internal factors and external factors. What are the internal factors? The internal factors are marketing objectives. What are the objectives of that marketing? Then marketing mix strategy. What strategy they are going to follow? Then organizational consideration. What is the consideration which is made by the organization which produces the product? Then cost. What are the various amount they have to spend for making that particular product? Then we have to see the organization objectives. So we have to see the marketing objective, marketing mix strategy that they are going to follow, then organizational considerations, what are the considerations the organization is going to look into, then cost of making the product and the objectives of the organization. These are the internal factors. Now we go on to see the external factors. What is the demand in the market? What is the level of competition in the market? What is the how large is the customers? Are they spread over? Are they concentrated? Are they small in number? Suppliers, how are we going to supply? What channel we are going to follow? Legal factors, in the sense that does a law favor or does a law support the production of goods and supply of goods? And regulatory factors, what are the regulations based upon that they have to face and they have to follow? Now all these are the external factors before they could decide the price for a product. Now we are going to see marketing mix. What is this mix? Mix itself means that we are going to add something. See, when you see a two-wheeler in a showroom, before that two-wheeler comes to the showroom and until it reaches the hands of the customer, there are many people who are involved in making that product and bringing the product to the showroom or to the hands of the consumer. And there are many aspects they have to decide before they go in for a product. So we call that as a marketing mix. Okay, so the marketing mix is 4 P's: place, price, promotion and product. So when they go on to decide a product, they have to keep all this in their mind. That is the future of the product, the brand of the product, what service it is going to render to the consumers, what innovation they are going to bring about, what is the style and image of the product. So all this they have to keep in mind if it is a product. Place. Now they have produced the goods, but if it does not, you make a good advertisement and everything, but if it does not reach the hands of the consumers, so you have to think the way of what is the process of putting the product into the hands of the consumer. So what channel you are going to follow? Channel in the sense the distributor channel, then inventory, distribution types, what logistic you are going to apply. So all this you have to think. Then price. What is the price that you are going to fix for it when it reaches the hands of the customer? What is the list price? What is the discount you are going to offer them? What are the terms and conditions if it is going to be a credit sale or whatever it is, or it is a cash sale? So all this you have to think. Then promotion. Now you thought of the product, you thought of the price, and you thought of how to take it to the hands of the consumers. Now how you are going to make the consumer know that such a product is available? So how you are going to promote your product? Are you going to give an advertisement? Then where? How many minutes? Which media? Which medium? All that. Then how you are going to promote? Are you going to promote it taking into the schools or to the streets or through some functions? Then what is the sales force you're going to involve? Then packing. Now all these are under the heading of marketing mix. So before the product comes to your hand, so there are so many activities behind the screen. That is what you have 4 P's here in the marketing mix. So marketing mix means it is a pack of 4 set of variables. Okay, so 4 variables. What are the variables? They are product variable, price variable, promotion variable and place variable. Okay, product. What is a product? Anything that can be offered to a market for attention, acquisition, use or consumption that satisfy the wants or a need of a consumer. This is the definition of Philip Kotler. Okay, so he says that anything that can be offered to the market, it can be a product or it can be a service, anything for attention, acquisition, you're going to use it, acquisition, you have going to keep it for yourself forever, or you're going to use it, or you're going to consume it, all that which can satisfy your needs or a want, that is what to call it as a product. Then the price. What is price? It is the expression in monetary terms. So whatever goods you are going to sell, it has a value. So that which is expressed in monetary terms is called the price. It is the amount charged for the product, whatever amount you are going to pay for the product. Then physical distribution or place. So physical distribution facilitates the movement of product from the place of manufacture to the place of consumption at the right time. This is more important. It should reach the hands of the consumers at the correct time. Only then it will have value. If it does not reach a consumer's hands in the correct time, the product will not have its value. So place, that is the distribution channel. Then promotion. How you are going to promote it. You need to have a competitive price, cannot achieve a desired success and acceptance in market unless and until special features and benefits are conveyed effectively to the potential customers. So what is the special feature? What is the added advantage? Or what is the innovation made in the product? Now all this the consumers must know. Only then they will buy their product. So these are the various marketing mix that goes into when the product is to be launched. Thank you, children.